All right, Prime Minister Modi over there in Gujarat, but also making a very critical and crucial point for the sweeping mandate with which NDA has returned to Bihar. Let's quickly go across to Payal. Payal, it's also been a two-pronged attack coming against the opposition, primarily the Congress party. Shed light.
Well, the Prime Minister, in fact, Akanksha has spoken about this just about yesterday when he was speaking at the victory speech of the NDA. And even then, today also he's speaking the same thing. He's basically saying that there is a lot of worry amongst the Congress leaders, especially the young talk, who actually feel that they are being choked. Their ambitions are being choked because Rahul Gandhi and the top brass of the Congress party are restricted to just one family. And their ideology doesn't seem to be anything which their fathers or the forefathers really spoke about. That's been the big worry. And even yesterday, Akanksha, when the Prime Minister was speaking, he spoke about the fact that, the ambitions are such that, probably the Congress is speaking the line of anti-nationals, and he coined in a term of MMC for the Congress party. The Prime Minister also over here going on to say that there is a lot of worry that the Congress probably might be facing a virtual split in some time, because many dissenting voices have come out to the fore in the past as well. A lot of leaders, if you remember, whether it is Jyotiraditya Scindia or whether this is Jitin Prasad, all of these leaders have been very, very closely in proximity with the Gandhis. But there was a point in time when they had to actually come out and say enough is enough, and they had to actually jump ship and come to the BJP as well. Whether it is Hemanta Biswa Sharma, who is of course a multiple time leader now from the northeastern state of Assam, he came out and said that, when Rahul Gandhi drew a comparison with a pet with him, that was enough, that he couldn't take it anymore. So there's a lot of worry as far as the
Right.
Congress party is really concerned, and the way in which dynastic politics in this
Right.
country is going. Bihar is an example. The dynastic politics is gradually getting rejected.
Absolutely, and that is why he's also spoken about how the Muslims and Yadavs too have opted for development going by the mandate with which NDA has returned. Having said that, the other very significant aspect he's focused on is how communal politics has been junked through this mandate that has now come to the forefront in Bihar.
Well, if you look at the numbers and if you look at the way in which the BJP and the NDA have been able to get the 200 plus numbers, it is very, very significant that people have gone out of their realms and voted for the NDA and voted for stability, voted for development. That is actually the light of the day as well. There is no society as much which is ingrained in caste politics as much as the Bihari society really is. But it seems that people have done that because they realize that sooner than later what you need is stability, you need jobs, you need welfare as well. So that's the classic example of the Prime Minister is really quoting and saying that gone are the days when people had no option and they had to actually succumb to the pressures of the jungle raj. But today, people are aspirational. The youth is aspirational. They want better opportunities. They want better facilities as well, and therefore, caste and religion have really shown the way. Have been shown the way by way of vikas and development as well. So that's something the Prime Minister is saying. This is a classic casebook study for anybody who really thought that people would only stick to the caste that they really have. But that's not the way it is. So even in areas like Simanchal, which is said to be dominated largely by the Muslims, there have been a lot of voting that has happened for the NDA. And the numbers will come out in the next couple of days, so we'll get a region-wise breakup. But the NDA floor masters who've been crunching the numbers have been of the opinion that even Yadavs, even in these Himachal kind of belts, have in fact chosen to vote for the NDA.
Many thanks to you, Payal, for putting that into perspective for us and for bringing us those inputs to that news story. With that, we're slipping into a quick break. Stay tuned to CNN News 18 as we return.